Well, you wouldn't be wrong. The world of collectible coins is a fascinating one, where a bit of history and craftsmanship can turn pocket change into a valuable investment. But how do you get your hands on these special coins? Can you just walk into your bank and buy them? The answer is a little more interesting. Enter the Mint, the government agency responsible for producing your everyday currency. But some mints also dabble in something a little more exciting: collectible coins. These aren't your average quarters rolling around in your dryer lint. They're commemorative issues, special releases celebrating historical events, anniversaries, or even pop culture icons. So, if you've ever dreamt of owning a piece of history, a beautifully crafted coin you can display with pride, or maybe even an investment for the future, then buying from the Mint might be for you. But before you dive headfirst into the world of coin collecting, there are a few things you need to know. First things first, not all mints are created equal. We're mostly focusing on the United States Mint here, but there are mints all over the world, each with its own offerings and rules. For instance, the Royal Mint in the UK produces stunning commemorative coins celebrating everything from the James Bond franchise to the Lunar New Year. Okay, so how do you buy from the US Mint? There are two main ways: online and by phone. The Mint's website is your one-stop shop for browsing all their current collectible offerings. You'll find everything from commemorative coin sets to gold and silver bullion coins, basically, precious metals with a fancy name. Now, here's where things get interesting. Some commemorative coins are super popular and sell out fast. Think limited edition sneakers, but for coins. To snag these hot releases, you might have to participate in a lottery system or be there at the exact release time, fingers on the refresh button. It can feel a bit like the Hunger Games, but hey, the thrill of the hunt adds to the experience, right? But fear not, Coin Padawan. There are also plenty of commemorative coins that are readily available. The Mint usually releases a schedule in advance, so you can plan your purchases and avoid any high-pressure clickfests. Alright, I found the perfect coin. Now what? The checkout process is pretty straightforward. Just be aware that some collectible coins require you to set up an account with the Mint beforehand. This might involve some verification steps, so plan accordingly. Almost there. Let's talk about payment. The Mint accepts all the usual suspects: credit cards, debit cards, and even good old-fashioned electronic bank transfers. They might also have some specific payment limitations, so double-check the website before you get to checkout and your dream coin slips away. And finally, the moment you've been waiting for: delivery. The Mint will ship you a new treasure using secure packaging and tracking information. Shipping times can vary, so be patient and keep an eye on that tracking number. Now, before you go out and buy every shiny coin you see, here are a few words of wisdom. Coin collecting can be a fantastic hobby and a potential investment. But like any investment, it comes with its risks. Do your research. Understand the different types of collectible coins, their value, and the market trends. Don't just buy something because it looks cool. Remember, you're not just buying a coin, you're buying a piece of history. There you have it. Everything you need to know about buying collectible coins from the US Mint. So, whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting your journey, the Mint offers a treasure trove of possibilities. Just be prepared for a little competition and some strategic planning. Happy collecting! With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.